guys to another video. Today is not a vlog. Today we are redoing my office desk workspace thing because I don't like the one that I have now. So we're gonna make it look better. I bought some shelves for like my books and makeup and stuff like that. I got a new desk. I'm gonna be getting a new chair. I don't have it today. I got the important things though, so I'll show you guys a before of like what my workspace looks like. So like this is my current mess of a workspace. My makeup, more makeup, usually random junk on here. My laptop, it's over here. It's in there. Because I was putting up these shelves, well this one shelf, I have another one. I was putting this shelf up last night and so I moved my laptop so I wouldn't break it. Oh my god, I'm so pale that I like almost blend in with the wall. Yeah, I got a new desk. This is actually just like a table. Because I couldn't find a desk that I liked last year when I got this table. I looked everywhere and they were either like too big or like too expensive or like too small for the price that, you know, that the company was asking for. So, but I finally found one. So I have to put that together, but no worries because I am pretty good at building and putting things together. I put this shelf up yesterday. Eric did help a little bit, but, I mostly did it. I did the hard work. So I should be able to build it. It is currently in my living room and I'm going to need to bring it in here. But I think I need to get everything off this table first and put this table somewhere. I also have like a drawer, like a storage drawer thing underneath of this. I kind of hope it'll fit under the desk, but I don't think it will. So I might have to get a smaller one, but it just has like all of my important stuff. Camera chargers, my tripod's usually in there, important like work stuff. I think even other makeup, I don't know. There's like a bunch of stuff in there, so I kind of need it. Yeah. Judas singing along to his songs, that's what that was. Anyways, let's clean this off and start building our new one. Alright, so the table is gone. I still have my set of drawers here. This lovely thing. That's my old laptop. I don't know what to do with it. I'm gonna move this out and probably like vacuum back here because I haven't moved this in like almost a year. I might go through it. I know there's like a bunch of random stuff in there that I could get rid of so that I could get a smaller one. I'm going to put my other shelf up. It's smaller than this one, and I feel like if I put it down lower than this it would look weird. But if I put it up higher, then I won't be able to get my makeup brushes. So I'm wondering if it would look stupid if I put it on this wall. So it's kind of like, I don't know. I don't want it to look stupid. But I also wouldn't be able to reach it if I put it up there. And I think if I did like bigger to smaller, it would look weird. So we might put it over here. And then if I don't like it, I'll figure something else out. Maybe I will move this one like lower and see if I can't fit all of my books on the other shelf, because I do have some more books coming so I don't know if they'll all fit. I don't know, it's a dilemma, but I think it'd be easier to get the shelf up first and then build the desk and put it in. I might have to move Jude's pack and play or just take it down altogether because he literally has never slept in it a day in his life. I basically just use it for storage. I just put random things in there. So that might go we'll see. I think the desk is kind of bigger than the table was, like lengthwise. So we'll see. We'll see. All right, so I got the other shelf up, put my makeup brushes on it and that jar of lipstick, and I want to put some artwork here. And I have 2 pictures that I think will actually work out perfectly. I do want to get some like Harry Potter artwork to put up above my books because most of them are Harry Potter. But I have this cute little sloth that has like a little flower crown, and then I have this one that's reading a book. And I could put the flower crown one above like my like makeup stuff, and then the book one above my Harry Potter books. So I think I'm gonna do that. Add some artwork to it. Here's my handsome helper. Hey, Jude. Hi, are you helping Mama? Oh, don't eat the pencil sharpener. Jude, can you say hi? Oh, okay. So this is what this little corner is looking like right now. It's really dark for some reason. There we go. Open the blinds a little bit. I don't know if that helped or not, or if it made it worse. But here's our little corner. Super cute. Now this space is super empty. So now we're gonna build this desk, and I hope it doesn't take me too long because it's almost Jude's nap time. I was gonna look on my wrist for a watch, but I don't wear a watch, so that was really dumb of me. All right, let's build the desk. Ta-da! The desk is all put together. It matches my shelves like pretty good. I didn't even realize that, but I'm glad I got like the darker wood instead of the lighter one because now it matches really good. And now I just got to put all my stuff back on it. So that's what we're gonna do. This only took me like maybe 30 minutes to put together. So super easy and not time consuming. So I can link this desk down below, like in the description box or whatever, so you can get one for yourself if you want. It also comes with like this little side pocket thingy right here, so I can put like notebooks, my journal, my laptop in there when I'm not using it. So yeah, it's pretty nifty. I like it. I can't wait until I get a new chair, because the chair I have is like not the most comfortable, and I do sit at like my desk for like long periods of time, like when I'm doing school or editing videos, or when I work from home, kind of. I don't know how to explain like my like job. I get paid for it, but like it's weird. But yeah, I sit for long periods of time, and the chair that I have is this one. Hold on. So this is the chair that I have. I like the color a lot. This is like my favorite color. But it's not comfortable. So I found one at Target, I think, that is like super cute, like super comfortable. So that's probably the one that I'm gonna end up getting. It's not here yet, and it won't be here for a while. So I will be working with this chair until then. But let's go ahead and decorate my desk again, and I will show you guys the completed product. So here we go. All right, here it is, my new office space. I had to close my blinds so you could see it better, but like here's the from afar. And here it is up close. I used to have my makeup like dead center because I don't know, I used to do my makeup a lot. Now I don't, so now it's here. That's fine because now it's like right under this thing. My mirror with my AirPods and my beauty blender, this cute little sign thingy. If you can't tell, I like sloths a lot. My laptop, my Alexa. I wasn't summoning you. I still have this thing that I need to get a smaller one because this is big and ugly, and I need to go through all of that because I know I don't need like 90% of the stuff that's in there. My notebook, some eyeshadow palettes, my MacBook charger, my glasses, and there's some pens over there. But I seriously love this a lot more. I want to get a plant to put over here. It might have to be fake because I keep killing my plants. I bought a succulent, and I bought several succulents actually. And I always follow like the instructions on like how to take care of them and stuff, and they just keep dying. So I don't know what to do. I have a really big plant in my living room that I like, but it needs like a lot of lighting, and I don't like to leave my blinds open because I live on the bottom level. There's always people outside my window and it makes me uncomfortable. So I'll probably get something else. It might be fake, so, but I feel like I need some greenery and some more artwork and stuff. But for now it's cute and I like it. My camera's about to die though, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and tell me if you think my shelves look stupid like this. And if I should change them, and if so, how. And subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.